Hi, I am Marushka on the right.
And I am Jindřiška to the left.
This is our dad. He is a great cook.
But he's not so great at washing dishes.
He likes to put a lot of garlic in his recipes.
But it makes him crazy to have to clean the garlic press afterwards.
He searched a long time to find an invention that would free him from using a garlic press again.
He's sleeping?
No, this is how he looks when he's thinking.
The result of his research is a new invention called Uniball, which is a universal ball with a fine grater on the bottom.
We will now show you different ways to use the versatile Uniball.
Using the Uniball to prepare salad dressing.
Grate the garlic on the bottom.
It's really easy and efficient.
Pour your favorite oil in.
Add some herbs and spices.
Add some salt and mix.
And it's really easy to clean. You can even put it in a dishwasher.
You can also make your favorite marinades and basting sauces using the Uniball while the meat roasts in the oven.
It smells good.
What is it?
These are barbecue ribs basted in a sauce prepared in the Uniball. You see again how the Uniball is easy to clean. Using the Uniball as a dipping bowl.
Grate the garlic.
Add white yogurt. The fatter, the better.
Add blue cheese. Stilton or Roquefort are great for this.
Add chives.
Here you are.
It must be good.
Using the Uniball to prepare herbal teas.
You have a cold? Here's an old Czech remedy that works most of the time. Grate ginger.
Pour hot water.
Add honey.
And finally, add the main medicinal ingredient.
Mix it up.
Pour in cups. You can do any other infusions.
Using the Uniball as a grater for apples and pears.
Grate apples. It's really easy.
Here, perfect puree for your baby.
No matter what you use your Uniball for, it's always a breeze to clean.
I guess that means our dad did a great job with his invention.